In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 with an Xbox One controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Euro Truck Simulator 2 has trouble detecting many types of controllers, including the Xbox One controller. So to fix this, there is one easy to follow step that you have to take. All that you have to do is go over to the settings and then access the control settings. In here, you will be able to check if your controller is properly detected. Now, you will notice that mine is detected as an Xbox 360 controller, but don't worry, the process that I'm going to show you in this video to set up your controller is going to be the same for Xbox One. So if you don't see this option, it means that you have to take this additional step. First, I recommend that you try clicking quick setup of the gamepad or steering wheel, choose controls over here, and then choose whichever option you prefer. Once this is done, you should see it appear. Now, if it still doesn't appear, then I recommend that you close down from the game and you open the Steam launcher on your PC. So go over to Steam and then on your library, find Euro Truck Simulator 2. You will notice that I am doing this process with the demo, but the process is going to be the same for the full game. Just find Euro Truck Simulator 2, right click, go over to Properties, Controller, and in here you have to make sure that Steam input is disabled. Usually Steam input helps us set up many types of controllers, but for Euro Truck Simulator 2 itself, it does not work well with Steam input. So because of this, we are going to be disabling it for this game. So once it has been properly disabled, you can close down and then relaunch the game. So I didn't close down Euro Truck Simulator 2, but you would restart the game. And after you do this, go over to the options, controls, and you should be able to find your controller here. So you can input multiple types of commands, or you can just leave this first one on the controller. And once this is done, you are good to go. You can get inside of the game and start driving. Everything will be assigned automatically, or you can customize all of the binds, all of the controls, and so on. For the most part, it is going to be entirely playable using only your controller. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 with an Xbox One controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.